Hello, Zach88 fan here, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is on a unboxing. Here's the box. I've already cut it open with the knife. So I'm just gonna pull it out of here, and then we'll take a look at it. Ordered this from eBay with some Christmas money I had. All wrapped up in the little bubbly things. This is Dale Jr.'s number 3 mom and pop scar from 1994. So it's pretty cool. I'll just show you the box real quick. If you want to see this diecast review, it will be up later today. So pretty cool. So watch for that diecast review later tonight. And thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the diecast review. Thank you. Bye bye.